Very good morning, student. I am Asim Kumar Mandal as a mathematics teacher. Now I representing Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajura. Student, under the exercise number 1.4, first question in the syllabus, second and fourth not related to syllabus. So we focus on the question number first of the exercise number 1.4. What is the demand of question? Without actually performing the long division. That means we doesn't use long division method, instead where the following rational number that means a number which can written in the form of p by q. We have a terminating decimal expression or a non-terminating, terminating and non-terminating friction. I repeat, the introduction of chapter friction basically divide into two category. First one is the terminating and second one is the non-terminating. Student, when I told about the 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, what is the mean of the 1 by 2? That means the 1 divided by 2 point will be equal of 0, then 5, that means finish. एक ऐसा जिसको डिवाइड करने पर पूरा फिक्स आंसर आता है उसको हम बोलेंगे टर्मिनेटिंग. बट in the case of the 1 by 3, when 1 divided by 3 point will be equal of 0, 3 3s are 9, remainder will be 1, then again will be 0, 3 9 1, that means 0.33333 touch to infinity, represented by bar. Terminating, that means a decimal in the fixed place are known as the terminating. In the case of the non-terminating, that means a touch to infinity. Simply, in another language, short trick, a number which divide by 2 or 5, a number which divide by 2 or 5 are known as terminating. A number which divide by the another number from 2 and 5, that means डिनोमिनेटर में 2 और 5 है तो टर्मिनेटिंग और 2 और 5 के अलावा कुछ भी है तो उसको बोलेंगे नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. नाउ वी सॉल्विंग सम क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, 13 by 3 1 2 5, 17 by 8, 64 by 455. Now first number is the 13 by 3 1 2 5. I repeat one more time, a rational number, that means a p by q, where q is a denominator and the factors of q 2 to the power n and 5 to the power m, where n and m are integers. That means if denominator consists only 2 or 5, friction are known as terminating. A part of 2 and 5, another number in the denominator are known as non-terminating. 2 or 5 है only we consist 2 and 5, that means a terminating. इसके अलावा कोई भी नंबर है that means non-terminating. Now 13 by 3 1 2 5, what is the mean of the 13, students? 13 is a prime number, so factors of 13 will be equal of 13 into 1. But in the case of 3 1 2 5, 3 1 2 5, student, the factorization, the prime factorization of 3 1 2 5, just here I solve a simple 3 1 2 5 divided by 5 will be equal of 625, 625 will be divided by 5, again 125, 125 divided by 5 will be equal of 25, divided by 5 will be equal of 5 5 1. That means we can write 3125 will be equal of 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, that means 13 into 1 whole by 5 to the power 5. A single 5 or single 2 or both are known as terminating. Repeating. ठीक है. नाउ सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज द 17 by 8. टर्मिनेटिंग, दैट मीन्स डिनोमिनेटर को आपको देखना है 2 और 5 के अलावा अगर जो कोई नंबर आता है, 2 और 5 के अलावा कोई नंबर आता है तो हम उसको बोलेंगे नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज देयर 17/8। व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ द 17? 17 दैट मीन्स अ प्राइम नंबर मे बी रिटन बाय 17 into 1. 8. The factorization of 8 will be 2, 2, 2, 2. How much? 2, 2, 2. That means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3. A 2. 2 is the representation of terminating. That means again solution terminating. Now student, question number 3rd. Question number 3rd, demand of question 64 whole by 455. 64 may be written as 64. That means 2, 32, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 6 times. And 455 will be equivalent 455 divide by 5 because the last digit of the 455 is 5, so divisible by 5 or 3. Taking the 5 will be equal of 91. 91 divided by 7 will be equal of 13. 13 divided by 13 will be equal of 13. So may be write in the form 5 into 7 into 13 into 1. But here in the factor of denominator we getting 7 and 13. 2 और 5 को छोड़ के कोई भी नंबर आएगा तो हम बोलेंगे नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग. आई होप स्टूडेंट यू गेटिंग द ऑल आंसर्स ऑफ द क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड. In the case of the question number first, we getting the factors of the denominator in form of 5, so known as terminating. In the question number second, the factors of denominator in the form 2, so we getting the required answer in the form of terminating. But in the case of the third, we getting the factors of the denominator in the form a part of 2 and 5, just as a 7 and 13, so non-terminating. Student, next question is there 15/1600. 15/1600, 29 by 343, 23 by 2 to the power n into 5 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2, 5 to the power 7, 7 to the power 5. Now we are taking the question number 4, 15 whole by 1600. Factor of 15. Factor of 15 is that means a 3 into 5 and 1600. 1600, the last digit is 0, that means divide by 2, then again divide by 2, 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 again divide by 5, because 25 is a odd number multiple of 5. So we can write in the form 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? 6 times. 3 into 5, then 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 5 into 5. May be write in the form 3 into 5 whole by 2 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 2. Number 3 is another number from 2 and 5, but it is a part of numerator, so avoid. We focus on the denominator, all numbers in the form 2 and 5, so a number is known as the terminating. I repeating again concept, 2 और 5 के अलावा कोई नंबर है तो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग होगा. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन 29 and 343. व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ द 29? 29 is a prime number, so 29 will be equal of 29 into 1, but in the 343, that means the cube of 7. 343 divided by 7 will be equal of 49. 49 divided by 7, again 7 7 ja 49, 7 1 ja 7. May be write in the form 7 into 7 into 7, 29 into 1 whole by 7 by 3. In the case of the denominator 7, a 7 that means another from 2 and 5, so it's known as non-terminating. Student, Next question 23. 23 is a prime number, but 2 to the power 8 into 5 to the power 2. That means both factors in the form of 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Another number is not included, so it known as the terminating. Terminating. Finally, last one is the 2 to the power 5, 129 whole by 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 7 into 7 to the power 5. Just because of 7 to the power 5, a number another from 2 and 5, so it is known as non-terminating. I hope student you getting the all proper solution of exercise number 1.4 question number first. Next question of the exercise, question number second. Write down the decimal expression. What is the demand of the question? Decimal expression of those rational number in question number first. That means last question number second related to last question number first. Question number first, above which have terminating decimals. What is the proper demand of question? लास्ट वाले जो क्वेश्चन में, क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट में हमने देखा था कुछ टर्मिनेटिंग थे और कुछ नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग थे, तो जो टर्मिनेटिंग थे वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इनटू डेसिमल expansion. Decimal, that means in point form. Now student, according to the question number first, already I done question number first, second, fourth, not a third. First, second, fourth, sixth, eighth and ninth, both are the example of terminating. So we taking first, second, fourth, sixth, eighth and ninth and convert into decimal expansion. So how to convert? Now first number is 13 by 3125. 13 and 3125. The factors of 3125 divide by 5. 5 6 are 30. 5 2s are 12 and 5 125 will be equivalent of 25 will be equivalent of 5 and 5 1 ja 5. That means we can write in the form 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. How many times 5? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 may be written in the form 5 to the power 5. Now students, focus. In the last question I told here we want 2 or 5, या तो 2 होगा या तो 5, but in the case when we want to convert terminating decimal into decimal, so how many times 5 to the power 5? 5 to the power 5. That means we have to multiply 2 to the power 5 and 2 to the power 5. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 13 बाय, अगर जो यहाँ 2 की पावर 5 होता देन वी टेक 5 टू द पावर 5. अनदर केस, इफ here 5 to the power 4, that means we multiply 2 to the power 4. Another case, if 2 to the power 3, that means 5 to the power, that means 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3. Easy method is there. ठीक है, easy method is there. To convert into decimal we have to multiply and divide by the another part. That means 5, that means 2. Here 2, that means here 5. Now 13 into 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 will be equivalent 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8, 16 and 32. That means here 13 into 32 whole by 2 to the power 5 and 5 to the power 5. That means 5 into 2 whole power 5. Student, focus on next step. 13 into 32. 32 into 13. 3 to ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. 32, 6, 11 and 4. That means 416. 2 5 ja 10 whole power will be equal of 5. That means 416. How many times 0? 1 2 3 4 and 5. 1 2 3 4 5. That means 416 whole by 1 2 3 4 and 5. How many numbers required? 5 numbers, but here how many numbers are 3? So we put another zeros. Now 1 2 3 4 5, that means a 1 2 3 4 5 point will be there. Required solution will be 0.00416. स्टूडेंट दैट इज अ मेथड. यहाँ पर 5 है तो यहाँ पर हम 2 लेंगे. नाउ सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, 17/8. 17/8 will be equal 17. What about 8? 8, that means here is the rough part. 8 that means 2 4 2 2 2 1. That means we can write in the form 2 into 2 into 2 will be equivalent to 2 to the power 3. How much? 2 to the power 3. So we have to multiply 5 to the power 3. 5 to the power 3. That means 5 5 ja 25, 25 5 ja 125 whole by 2 into 5 whole power 3. 125 multiply by 17. 125 5 12 2125 will be equal of 2125 10 whole power 3, that means 3 times. 5 2 ja 10 whole power 3, that means 3 zeros are there. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. That means from the last 1 2 3 will be equal to 2.125 required answer. I hope student you getting the proper solution of the question number second. Both are the different variations of the exercise number 1.4. that is the last exercise of chapter number 1. I hope student you getting the proper solution. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube channel.